In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track time and effort in Monday.com so you can measure productivity, manage workloads, and stay on top of deadlines with complete clarity. Whether you're managing a small team or running multiple projects at scale, proper time and effort tracking inside Monday.com can completely transform how you plan and deliver work. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you how to visualize everything using dashboards. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials just like this. Let's dive in. The first and most accurate way to track time in Monday.com is by using the built-in time tracking column. This feature allows users to start and stop a timer in real time or manually log hours after completing a task. To add it, open your board in Monday.com. At the top of your columns, click on Add Column. From the list of available column types, choose Time Tracking. Once you add it, every item on your board will now have its own built-in timer. Using it is very simple. On any task, click the timer icon and press Start when you begin working. When you're finished, click it again and press Stop. Monday.com automatically logs the session and keeps a record of total time spent. If you forgot to start the timer, you can also manually log time by clicking into the column and entering something like 1 hour 30 minutes. This flexibility is perfect for teams that don't always work in one continuous session. This method is ideal for tracking billable hours, comparing estimate versus actual time, performing time audits, and improving future project planning. Because the data is logged per task, it gives you extremely accurate insights into where time is actually being spent. Now let's talk about tracking effort, not just time. Time tells you how long something took, but effort helps you understand planning accuracy and workload distribution. To measure effort properly, you can add 2 additional columns. First, add a number column and rename it to something like Effort Estimate. This is where you input your planned hours, for example, 4 hours or 8 hours for a task. Next, you can use the Time Tracking column as your actual log time. If you're working across connected boards, you can even mirror the actual time into another board for reporting purposes. Once you have both estimated effort and actual time, you can create a formula column to calculate variance. For example, you can subtract actual time from estimated effort to see whether tasks are going over or under budget. This is extremely powerful for identifying bottlenecks, improving forecasting, and managing team performance over time. With effort and time data combined, you can also build burn-down tracking, measure project progress against estimates, and even support capacity planning to ensure no team member is overloaded. Now let's take it a step further and visualize everything using dashboards. Dashboards in Monday.com give you a high-level overview of your team's time and effort in one place. To create one, click on Add and select New Dashboard. Choose the relevant boards you want to pull data from. Then start adding widgets. The time tracking widget allows you to see total logged hours by person or by task. This is perfect for managers who need visibility into resource usage. The workload widget helps you monitor capacity and identify overallocation before burnout happens. The numbers widget can show total effort estimates across projects. And the chart widget lets you break down effort by project, team member, or time period for easy reporting. By combining these widgets, you create a real-time control center for your operations. Instead of guessing who is busy or which project is consuming the most time, you can see it instantly and make data-driven decisions. So to recap, use the time tracking column for accurate logging, add effort estimate and formula columns to measure planning accuracy, and build dashboards to visualize everything at a glance. When used together, these tools turn Monday.com into a powerful time and performance management system. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth Monday.com guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.